free, we gotta break free. I will rise, oh rise. I will rise, oh rise.
Oh, there must be hope for you, girl. I don't know what to do for. I can barely feed myself with what I have in my pocket, but deep inside I could feed my mind, feed the world, breathe them evil types that would, you feel me, like, I don't know, manipulate the fuck out your ass.
Sitting down to our own decay. Keep your head strong in this dismay. Constant doubts surround you and me. We gotta break free. We gotta break free. I will rise, oh rise. I will rise, oh rise.
Yeah, I refuse to be one of you or me. I would rather most usefully, graciously, be lofty, abundant in all things, money and love, abundant in money and love. It's not one thing, it's both of them. You need both of them. You love money, I love money, I love my family more than anything. First of all, this ain't just to make money sound evil, 'cause it's not though. That's what they tell you, so you can't get it and uplift your own fucking people. They try to fucking say that money is the root of all evil, but they lethal. So just get though and tell them shut the fuck up though. You feel me? Yeah.
Still sitting down to our own decay. Keep your head strong in this dismay. Constant doubts surround you and me. We